Now, Cap gave you first alert weather with Chief Meteorologist Kristin Walls.
And we are keeping a close eye on the smoke that's expected to move back in for the upcoming weekend. So here's the latest on the wildfires and the smoke that we have around the Pacific Northwest. Not too bad, at least right now. Tri-Cities into Yakima, but you can see the darker shades there around Portland, even extending up into Seattle. Parts of Portland this morning looking at some hazardous air quality. And as we have that shift in winds, as I mentioned yesterday, we'll continue to see more of this unhealthy air moving into our area. So here's a current check of our current air quality. We're down to the moderate level for many locations, becoming unhealthy as you head back over into the eastern slopes of the Cascades. So all this will be sliding in our direction starting maybe even as early as this afternoon and continuing for your Saturday and Sunday. So try to limit your time that you have that you spend outdoors for the majority of the weekend. And there's that air quality alert. This goes until 11 a.m. Monday, so it includes the entire weekend in some of this poor air quality. So here's what's ahead. We could actually see some unhealthy to hazardous air quality at times. This will not compare to what we had out there Monday. Monday, we actually had those winds picking up, a lot of blowing dust to be included with that smoke that we had around the area. So that's one thing we will not have to worry about. As a matter of fact, we have a ridge of high pressure building in, which means we'll actually have numbers well above average. We'll be in the low 90s today, Saturday, and Sunday. So temperatures coming in about 10 degrees above average before we start to cool things off by next week, actually getting a system in here by early next week, delivering some much needed rainfall to the area. Temperatures right now, we're at 52 in Moses Lake, 51 in Connell, Tri-Cities at 50 degrees. The temperature is close to about 60 degrees in Walla Walla, with 45 in Ellensburg and then 50 degrees in Yakima. So as we switch over to our winds, again, very light. We're not going to notice a change in our winds throughout the entire weekend. Pretty calm out there today and quiet both Saturday, at least until the first part of the day on Sunday. So radar and satellite, we have some more sunshine expected, so some hazy sunshine as the sun comes up this morning. And we're going to be clear and quiet as well. I should say quiet, not necessarily clear with all that smoke. But as we head throughout Saturday, and then here's a look at Sunday, no rain chances expected, but we could actually see those winds picking up for the second half of the day on Sunday ahead of this next system, which is going to bring some cloud cover to our area on Monday. And then there is that wet weather. This is what we need to see and what we want to see with all that smoke and the wildfires that we have around the area. So this will bring cooler temperatures and some wet weather, at least into our area, starting Monday night into Tuesday. So out there for this afternoon, smoke and haze, 91 in Yakima with 90 degrees in Ellensburg, 92 in the Tri-Cities with 91 for Prosser into Hermiston, and those upper 80s from Walla Walla and down into Pendleton. So for tonight, we'll have that patchy smoke and haze with us as temperatures fall through the 50s. So your 7-day forecast says those numbers will continue to stay above average this weekend with that smoke and haze. Wet weather spills in here next week. Our coolest day on Tuesday at 82, 85 degrees on Wednesday. And then a look ahead to your 7-day forecast in Yakima with 90 degrees Saturday, 89 on Sunday. And then you're also looking at that wet weather, especially on Tuesday at 81.